now I'm going to show you again. I'm jumping to little practical, ठीक है ना. SRC. Now I have explained you, because I have explained you whatever I want to explain from this, to do some practical. Which folder I will have the source code? SRC. ठीक है ना. क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने I have defined here. You want I should change the folder name? No, it's fine. This source folder has always have this 4 file by default. App.module file is always be the most important file. ठीक है ना. You don't see that much of this file right now because you will not able to get it today. Okay, you will get it this file by time. Okay, so you don't worry about that. You will able to read that file very properly. But you have to remember this file only. This is my module. Like you create the module into the, you create the packages, right? In any languages is the one package you can understand which is hold the information of my all project. ठीक है ना. So right now I don't need to see anything here, but I want to see one thing in the app.component.html, and to show that what I'm going to do is I'm going to this folder, and or might be I'm here. So I can command write ngserve. This command is help us to run the project. Okay, what is the command? ngserve is the command. And where you can write this ngserve command? Command prompt. But in which folder?
Exactly where we are going.
No. Yeah, exactly not. You have to see first the package.json folder or file. Okay, wherever this package.json file is there, okay, you can go inside of any folder of this and you can run this ngserve command.
I don't want to use the iterator
RxJS, this is okay, let it be. This is by default exception. rnn node.module.type.ds. Let's see. Localhost 4200. Why it is giving the rxjs.type.ds? We have not done any code changes. ठीक है ना. So this is giving the type.d.ts file में it is giving the error. They should not give the error in this. So what I am going to do is to run this, might be Control C. Okay, might be because of I have used the package.json में bootstrap का ये डाला ना, इसके कारण भी ये error हो सकती है, because it was not showing ना, it was not supporting right now with the 3.bootstrap version. एक बार और मैं npm install कर देता हूँ तो मतलब वो उसको remove कर देगा. ओके, वैसे भी इसको ये वाली एरर नहीं देनी चाहिए थी. इवन देन नहीं, हमने एडिटिंग नहीं किया था. ओके, माइट बी ये भी. ओके, कंट्रोल चेक. ओके, माइट बी इट वाज आल्सो द इशू कि मैंने ना गलती से आई हैव change the schema name. So if because schema is very important factor, so ngserve I will run the ngserve. This could be also ठीक है ना. Let it be. Still it is giving the node modules RxJS internal. Actually what's happened, you know, whenever the version gets changed, it is give this type of error, node module RxJS internal. So if it is this, it is should work or not. अभी तो हमारे इस वर्जन पे मेरे इतने प्रोजेक्ट रन किए हुए हैं. Nothing is there which I have done the change. It is the default project, right? I have not done any changes right now. So okay, I can do one more thing. Okay, कौन सी लाइन पे एरर दिखा रहा है वो? I will go that line. So what was happened? मैंने Control Z किया. Might be what was happened कि मैंने I have changed in the schema file. You should not change this file anytime. This is the base of your project. ठीक है ना? And because of these changes, it was giving the error. ठीक है ना? That's the okay. I have Control Z everything. But this project is running and this project is coming by default very smoothly. This means this page is the default page. Do you want to work on this page? No, we don't want to work on this page. What we have to do, it always use this HTML and I am going to delete this page. ठीक है ना? You always delete this page and write here hi all. Okay, and it will show now hi all to you. ठीक है ना? सबसे पहले you have to understand that कि you have to make your page as a purely blank page. Okay, now what? And now it is on the my control. I can add the anything on that. Okay.